Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine, a perfect companion for both beginners and seasoned sewing enthusiasts. This robust machine offers 97 stitch applications, allowing you to explore a wide range of sewing techniques with ease, from basic to decorative stitches, and even a convenient one-step buttonhole. With an automatic needle threader, threading the needle becomes a breeze, saving you from eye strain and frustration. The Singer 4423 boasts a high-speed capability of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, powered by a 60% stronger motor for tackling thick seams with ease. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability and durability, making it a reliable workhorse for various heavyweight fabrics. Included in the accessory kit are essential tools like all-purpose, zipper, and buttonhole feet, along with a seam ripper, quilting guide, and more, all neatly stored in the accessory tray. Plus, the top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover and stay-bright LED lighting makes sewing a seamless and enjoyable experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.